Well, got an update on the Blazer. Turning into a pain in my ass. Me and Luca went out to get some stuff to, honestly don't remember what we went to get. Oh, a fire extinguisher so we could start torching the front end out of his truck. And but it rained us out, so we didn't get to do no work there because you can't work in the shop when there's rain because it just, well, you can make videos, you can work in there, but you can't make videos. And then the rain was actually blowing in the door, so we had to close the door, which meant then it made the garage get hot. So, well, we drove this thing, and fuel pump quit working, wipers won't turn off, and a couple other electrical bugs it's had since I got it. So we're about ready to rip the whole harness out of here, because when they did this conversion, all they did was went in and clipped all the what they thought was fuel injection and clipped it all out and left the majority of the main harness in there. Like, I'll flip you around here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you look here, all these wires, which is probably fuel injectors and all that, they just cut it out. That's a fuel line in here. Don't know what this line wire goes to, so we're gonna have to figure that one out. You know, just open connectors. And this was the hot wire we had to add just to get the fuel pump going so we could get home. Just a lot of nastiness going on. Like, this is the jumper wire for the fan control. So we're basically going to take the whole harness out, lay it out here on the floor, and pull all the wires out that's not needed, and get it down to the 7 wires that it's only needed to run an HEI distributor motor and carburetor. So that way we eliminate all of this, and then we can go back to simple schematics of wiring up the fuel pump and all that stuff and making it work. And hopefully we don't get stranded when we're out driving around. I can enjoy the truck some more. So we're gonna make we'll be videoing this as we tear it apart. This is just an update on what we're about to do. Peace.